Good evening everyone. Now this is great time for participants as we are going to declare the results of felicitating the winners. So now we are declaring the results. Young Research Award goes to Rahul Zaveri. His topic is Emerging Social Media Trends During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Our next award, Women Researcher Award, goes to Jaya Tiwari. Her topic is Role of Mass Media Inducing Fear for the Control of COVID-19. Our next award, Best Presentation Award, goes to Arya Jain. His topic is What Social Media Told Us in the Time of COVID-19, a Scoping Review. Our next Best Presentation Award goes to Madhav Khera. His topic is 5 Emerging Trends in COVID-19 Pandemic. Our next Best Presentation Award goes to Urvashi Jain. Her topic is Media and Entertainment Industry Witnessing New Trends Post-COVID-19. Our next Best Paper Presentation Award from Teacher category goes to Ms. Tanvi Limbachia. Her topic is A Study of Challenges Faced by Journalists During COVID-19 Pandemic. Our next Best Paper Presentation Award from Teacher category goes to Ms. Luhida Joshi. Her topic is Film Industry During COVID-19. So congratulations to our winners and delegates and thank you so much judges and delegates. Now I request to Dr. Amruta Pawar ma'am, coordinator of BAMMC, Department of Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College for valedictory speech.
Good evening, one and all. On behalf of ZSC's Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College, Mumbai, I, Dr. Amruta Pawar, Coordinator of Department of BA in Multimedia and Mass Communication, take the privilege to deliver valedictory speech and concluded note on one-day National E-Conference on Emerging Trends in Mass Media during Pandemics, organized jointly by IQAC and Department of BA in Multimedia and Mass Communication on Tuesday, 30th November 2021. This conference conferred the opportunity to the research scholars, professors, students, and other research enthusiasts to deliver their insights on the above research theme. During this valedictory ceremony, I would like to highlight some important points, starting with the inspirational speech by Chief Guest of the function, Honorable Dr. C. Sunanda Yadav Madam, HOD of PhD Department, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune, which enlightened the participants on the research topics by revealing important facts on how mass media has emerged positively during the pandemic times. I would also like to thank the keynote speaker, Honorable Ms. Shubhangi Pawar, founder Shubh Media, a media house based in Mumbai, for sharing her treasured thoughts on changes in media offering during pandemics and its pros and cons on the target audience. I'm extremely grateful to the great support of the management of ZSC's Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College, Mumbai, and our principal Dr. Sharad Kulari sir for acting as a guiding torch throughout this conference. I also take the opportunity to congratulate the organizers of this conference. Last but not least, I appreciate all the winners and the participants and looking forward for their association with our institution in our future endeavors too. With this positive hope, I conclude my valedictory speech here by congratulating each and everyone for making this conference successful. Thank you. Over to you, Tanvi.
Now I request to Professor Siddhi Parav, faculty of Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College, to deliver vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone, honorable dignitaries, respected principal sir, Mr. Chairman, Mr. CEO, and honorable guests and participants. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I, Ms. Siti Parab, on behalf of ZSCT's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College and the entire team, remark a proficient sense of gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. C. Sunanda Yadav, and our keynote speaker, Ms. Shubhangi Pawar. I would also like to thank our honorable judges, Ms. Ritu Araria and Mr. Mayuresh Patanshetty. I would also like to thank them for their encouraging words and sharing your valuable information with us. Further, I would take this opportunity to extend our generous and hearty thanks to our respected Principal Sir Dr. Sharat Fulari for the perfect guidance, support, and standing as a pillar of strength. Finally, with great sense of appreciation, I thank our DAMMC faculty members, Dr. Amrita Pawar, Coordinator, Ms. Dunita Shetty, Ms. Tanvi Limbadia, Ms. Shikha Srivastava. Congratulations to all the students to present the paper and attend the conference. We are very fortunate to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our organization and the students organizing committee for their technical support. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and to complete their tasks beyond their comfort zones. I thank you for being with us this evening. Thank you one and all.